Hey everyone, I was just talking to a client actually about this earlier, so I thought it would make for a good kind of quick tips video. We were talking about really how in B2B things have obviously shifted from a sales perspective, where prospects these days are looking at and going through so much more content before they ever talk to your sales team. So it's shifted from, maybe 50-50, if you will, to now 80% of the buyer's journey is done pre-talking to sales, where they're just consuming so much diverse content. And then combining that with the fact that, 90% of what people take in is visual. And then there are so many companies out there just having a blog, right? They just have a blog, they just have articles, and that's all they're putting out there. So shifting from that to more of like a resources page where you're using diverse types of content, think video, PDFs, infographics, podcasts, all these different aspects that you could and content types that you could be using to convey your message to these, prospective clients. That's going to just benefit from a UX perspective because they're going to go in, they're going to view all of this, and it's going to be so much more beneficial to get them down that road and get ready to talk to your salespeople. And then also now from an SEO perspective, as you may know, the recent algorithms from Google, they've just gone gangbusters on machine learning. And now, all these algorithms and the bots are able to not just read content, whether it's in your blog posts or in your website copy, but, watching videos and listening to podcasts and looking at images. They can pull all of this together and really understand the type of content that you're putting out there. So both from a user experience perspective and getting, prospective buyers down that journey path in a more efficient and effective way, as well as from an SEO perspective, all of this coming together to basically say shift from just doing articles over to more of a resources page where you pull all of these content types together. Hope that was beneficial and hope you're looking forward to more marketing tips in the future.